Again, let me talk in this video about math operations. We have math operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All these are math operations. I could use them in coding with variables. How I could do that? I just create a new file and I will name this file as math operations. Okay? And make sure I click OK. To get started, I need to define my main function. This is what I always and again I say. So to do math operation, what you need? Okay, get started. I need two numbers. Let me assume I want two numbers. So first number will be 20, and the second number, let's say number 2 and number 1, and this one number 2, I will say 4. Okay, now I want to do math operation. I want to add these two numbers. Okay, so I would define a variable. I name it sum. Is that right? It will be equal number 1 plus number 2. So using a plus sign, easily I could add two variables because both of them are integer. I could add them normally. To print them, I just say print. I could say print line this way, and I say sum will be equal to sum. Okay? Now if I just run it, very easily to create two variables, then add them. Now I have 24. Why? Okay, let me show you why. Just debug it. Whenever you want to know why, just debug it step by step to see why you get this value. So why I'm getting 24. Let me see why I'm getting 24. So first I define a variable with 20, then I define another variable with 4. Now I have these two variables. The number 1 has a 20, number 2 has 4. That means this sum will be 24. Enter, I'm 24. That's good. So, and I would see here it be printed here 24. That's the one good. This is basically how I add two numbers. How I could do subtract two numbers? Easily. Do same thing. I would name this one subtraction. So I could use this sign. In this case, this one will be sub, and this one will be subtraction. And I could do subtraction. What if I want to do multiplication? I could use the multiplication sign easily. Multiplication. I say multiplication and multiplication. Division, that means you divide two numbers. So I would say div, and I would name this one div, and this one will be div. But make sure division, you divide two numbers. So I would use this sign. So this is for division, this multiplication, addition, subtraction. If I just run it one time, you will see all these results for 24. So for sum, for 20 and 4 will be 24. For subtract will be 16. For multiplication, 4 by 20, 80. For divide 20 by 4, you will get how much? You will get 5. Yeah. You could see it step by step. Just debug it and see how you could apply this process. What if I want just this information to be from the input? You know that. I say read line dot to integer. You don't have to read as an integer. You could use as a to double. We could accept double. We could add and subtract doubles. And same thing for the second variable. Now you know that I always prefer to add the print string. I say enter number 1. And the same thing for the second number, I say enter number 2. So now if I just run my code, this calculator will ask me to enter number 1. I say I have 8. Enter number 2, I have 2. He say, okay, adding the 2 number will be 10. He see 10.0. Why? Because I told him this is double. Because double, he will add the float. So 10.0, 6.0, 16.0, 4.0. If you define them as integer, it will show you only integers value. So yeah, this is how you add the 8 with 2, how to subtract 8 from 2, multiply 8 by 2, divide 8 by 2. Now what if I just want to do like 3.4 added to 1.6? I mean Number 1 3.4, number 2 3.6. So adding them will be 5, that's right. Subtraction them 1.79, multiplication 5.4, division 224. So really simple calculator. It have all these process: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What I want to take from this video is easily you could add numbers, subtract them, multiplication them, or divide them. But what if I just try to have a first number is 10 and the second number is 0? Enter, bum. See, when I add 10 by 0, 10. Subtract 10 minus 0, 0. I mean, 10 minus 0 is 10. Divide multiplication 10 by 0, 0. Why I get here infinity? Because dividing 10 by 0, when you divide it by 0, you will get infinity. The real good here thing, you could get infinity. Any other programming language, the code will break. But here it will show you infinity when you divide number by this. You have to know you could do multiple processes. You don't have just one process, one just add. You could, for example, you say this one plus 10 multiplied by 5, whatever. Any other operation you want to do. We'll discuss this in details in the next video. But this is the simple calculator. Like we just show it in print line. I say simple calculator. Okay, so this is very simple calculator that we created. What I'm asking you, just go through this calculator and try to make it more clear, make it better, see what you could do with it. Here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.